Here's the biggest difference between rich and poor people. The rich get richer because they follow these 7 habits that change everything, while the poor stay poor because they don't. No. 1. Spending vs. investing. Poor people buy the newest iPhone. Rich people buy stocks. Number 2. Time value. Poor people trade time for money. Rich people use their time to build skills, systems, and businesses that make them money. Number 3. Risk mindset. Poor people are afraid of risk. Rich people calculate risk and learn from their failures. Number 4. Learning. Poor people stop learning in school. Rich people never stop learning. They take online courses and read books. Number 5. Friends and network. Poor people gossip with friends. Rich people network with successful people. Number 6. Goals. Poor people have no plan. Rich people set clear goals and write them down. Number 7. Money beliefs. Poor people say money is evil. Rich people say money creates freedom. So which habits are you following? Remember, wealth starts with mindset. Change your habits and you change your life. Subscribe for more finance tips and comment below which habit you're going to change first.